Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a whole house messy clean with me. This is just the state of the house at the minute. So the telly's not on the wall here. It's a bit of a mess. So we're going to be doing the kitchen, the living room area here, which is not too bad, but we're going to give that a little bit of a spruce up. The bedroom as well, which has got a lot of washing everywhere, clean washing, need to take all the dirty washing down. We're going to do our Ensuite as well today, which is a bit of a mess as well. Yes, all this needs doing. It is a bit of a sight, so no, hopefully you won't judge me, people. So this is the stuff that I'm going to be using today. So over here we have the sieve, microcrystals to remove dirt and give 100% shiny. Then we've got this perfect finish. I have used this is really good. Stainless steel streak free, just for the big range over there, because that gets streaky as hell. Obviously I've got my unstoppables with my little bags. I got these off eBay for like £3 and you get loads of them. So I'm going to put these in my cushions and stuff in the living room. Then we've got the Bathmatic that I'm obviously going to do to clean the bath, maybe the sinks as well. So I'll be using those today. And then we've got the Harpic, which I've just basically picked up. I might actually dilute this down and have a little bit in this bottle as well. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I'm going to be giving that a go. I might have to read the instructions on how we're going to use that, because I believe using it neat is a little bit too strong. We're obviously going to use some Fabulosa, which is the unicorn one. So we're also going to be using some Flora, which is the summer berries. I'm using that today. Some polish, the Pledge multi-surface cleaner in classic, mold remover, because we've got a bit of mold in our bedroom where the window was leaking. Got a little stain of coffee on the carpet in my room where my dressing room is, so I'm hoping that this Dr. Mackman's is going to get that out. We got some antibac wipes, a big pack here. I think they were like £1. I've had them a while. Lemon and mandarin. Couple of microfiber cloths that I wash and reuse, and I have got quite a few more in the cupboard. So that's those. And then we've got this lovely little handheld one as well, which you can put your hand in, and then obviously buff up. So you could use that along with the multi-surface cleaner. And then I've got my little extendable noodle duster here, which is really good. And the 1001 Carpet Fresh as well. So I'm going to put that down after I've hoovered. So yeah, I'm also going to be using some shake and back as well, which is the Lemon Fresh. So there's not much left in this actually, so probably end up using that up today. So that's everything, guys. Oh, and did I mention, sorry, bin liners as well, because we've probably got a few bits of rubbish chunked in bins upstairs and stuff, so I'm going to be using them as well. So let's get into this clean with me. So I'm going to start off by opening the blind, and I'm going to get my mold remover spray to try and get, this is when our window was leaking. Obviously I've got to give Jinxie a little stroke. And then we're going to tackle the bedroom. So I'm going to start by putting all Sam's stuff away and generally tidying up. I'm just using polish here and this little hand glove with the noodles on, just to polish up everywhere. I do find that bedrooms do harbour a lot of dust. I think it's because we're constantly shedding skin cells. I know it sounds a bit gross, but we are basically. I decided to clean out these little tubs because they were dusty, so I actually stuck them in the sink and gave them a wash, cleaned out the candles. Using a few anti-bac wipes here just to clean the little handles, and there was a little bit of a dirty mark on the bottom drawer. I did actually change the bed as well, but I didn't get the footage of that. So I'm just going around with the hoover and just getting into all the nooks and crannies. Now I'm getting my Flash Power Mop and I'm going to give it a spruce round. So this is the final look. I think it looks really, really nice. Nice and fresh and tidy. Now I'm going to use this Fabulosa, it's supposed to be a clothes spray, but I'm using it to just spray my bed. Right, moving on to the Ensuite. I'm just going to use my sieve in the sink here, run some water, and I'm going to use the white vinegar spray just to try and clean up the taps a little bit, and using an old toothbrush, trying to get all the sort of muck that sort of gets caught around the bottom of the tap. And I'm going to also tidy out under the sink because it is a bit of a mess. Falling in love and it feels like the first time. I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine. Cause I'm falling in love and it feels like the first time. Feels like the first time. Don't let nobody tell you that you're not beautiful. You give so much to the world but get nothing back at all. She wants new beginnings, always made hopeless wishes. She don't know what she wants. She don't know what she wants. It's more than love for an evening, could be more than a weekend. I won't mind wasting this time. Long as I just using my flash spray in my loo as well. To give it a wipe down, clean it properly. There is nothing like you, and I would see you in my dreams when I'd rather be together, baby. I'm just going to take some toilet cleaner as well and give it a scrub round. I also did pop some of those sort of coloured blue things in the top of the system just to give you the coloured water. I did that as well. I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine. Cleaning up the taps now and cleaning down the sink. Feels like the first time. Nice and clean and tidy. I did actually mop the floor as well, but I haven't got any footage of me doing that, but I did mop the floor too. Right, over to the living room. I'm just going to clean the table here with some glass cleaner. It's got a bit of a food stain on there. At the moment we do eat dinner in here sometimes, but this room is going to be redone this year. Probably a little bit delayed now with the whole COVID-19, but yeah, we plan to get new carpet, redecorate, etc. because it does need a bit of an update, and we've not changed this since we moved in. So I'm going to clean my remotes as well with the sort of anti-bac wipes as well. I'm going around with my shake and back just to make the carpet smell fresh, puffing up my little cushions, hoovering down from the cat's hair. Now I'm going to get my unstoppable beads, and I'm going to put them in my cushions in these little gauze bags. It just does give it a nice smell every time you lean on them. Now I'm going around with the hoover. Come closer, all I wanna do is you now. You're shaking my mind to the wild. Hold me hard and mellow, baby, and I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you. Play with me through the fire daily, and I'm gonna wait for you. Right in the kitchen, sorting out all the pots. Play with me through the fire daily, and I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you. I'm using my Fabulosa spray just to wipe down the counters. I'm just doing a general tidy up as well. I've got a big pile of washing there to do. I do really like the Fabulosa sprays. Dishwasher's finished, so I'm just unloading it all again, because I've got more pots to wash. I'm going to put my nice little new air freshener in there as well. I'm actually cleaning this pan by hand with a metal scourer because it is stuck full of egg at the moment. I think this is the best way to clean it. The dishwasher generally doesn't get that clean. Now it's time to clean out the bins. I've already emptied them. I'm going to mix 1 part of Zoflora into this small bottle that I got from Home Bargains, and the rest is water. Spray these into my bins just to give them a nice smell, and top it up with boiling water and let them sit for a little while. Now I'm going to get my bin minky and I'm going to give them a good scrub. I'm going to clean the top of my bin, on the inside of the lids, all down the sides, and all over, just to keep them all really nice and clean. All down the ledges as well, because I find that crumbs sort of sit just sort of inside a little bit. You get crumbs and things. I'm going to move around any little bits and bobs. Hoover in the bin as well, again just to hoover up those little crumbs that land at the bottom of the bins. Just hoover this little seating area as well, because there's a rug here and it does, because it's black, it does attract sort of bits and cat hair and stuff. I have actually put the telly back on the wall as well. It was the bracket that was a little bit loose. It's all fixed now. I'm gonna finish off by putting my bin liners back in the bin. So I've got one black one. I use a black one for the first one, and then the yellow ones are generally for recycling. So if you're interested in knowing where I got the bin from, I'll leave it down below. I think it was from Amazon. I have had it quite a few years now. So I'm just tidying up all the stuff that sort of gets dumped on the island here. Papers and bills and just general junk, and I'm just going to start cleaning down the worktop. What I like to do after I've been cleaning as well is I love to fill the little middle section of my sink up, add bleach and put all my cloths in there that I've been using. So I've obviously got my dishcloth. I love it to stay white. I'm putting my minky in there. I think there was another cloth as well that I had that I shoved in there as well. But I just like to bleach them all and make them smell fresh. So flora down the sink with hot water, and I'm going to finish off by mopping the floor. I'm using the mopping bucket this time because it's such a large space and it's good to have a deep clean with a mopping bucket. I do need a new mop head though. Right, so that's it, this room is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!